So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
What's up, JJLEE squad? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a month. I know, get off my ass, but I told y'all things happen. Things happen whenever I take a long time to upload. So I'm going to turn the camera around. Y'all already seen the thumbnail. Y'all seen the title. Your boy has got new stripes, and they look great. And I'm gonna just let y'all take a look at them. Yep. Don't go around it a little bit, bro. Look at the wheels, look at the badge, look at the carbon. It's dirty, but I have to. This is the perfect opportunity to stop real quick, bro. Also got a new tail light tint that y'all seen before. There's little she is going around it. But as y'all can see, these are Viper stripes, but instead they are reverse. They are reverse Viper stripes, pretty much. So, you know, my favorite color is red. I want to freaking reverse it. Somebody know me? I wanted to reverse it, bro, but, you know. So, I got the big red stripe and the small black stripe. Matte black. I think it's either matte or satin, as y'all can see, but it's dirty. But so far, this baby's looking perfect and icy. No complaints. The wheels. I took off the red spike lug nuts because I didn't like them anymore. Then I added the carbon mirrors, the carbon door handles too on all the sides. Show a little updates. I also freaking had to cut a hole in the grill. I couldn't find the top grill, the bottom grill to match the top grill. So I said, fuck it, cut it, because it left like a little warning light on my shiz. But so far, man, these are the new stripes. Like I said, reverse Viper stripes. I was going to go with like the original look of the Viper stripe, but I was like, bro, I had red stripes to complement the white, the wheels too. So I was like, let me go big red, small, matte satin, and that's how it looks right now. Also, shout out to my boy Dalen, because he the one that said, bro, you need to be different. Get big red, small satin, small black stripe. So I did that, hooked it up, and this baby is looking crispy. So far, the Widebody kit has been all right. It has been all right, but it's not all the way like that, bro. It's soft, but it's good. But they still on there, like I said. Only issues, really, is, like I said, like before, paint job was kind of trash, because it's like it was way too thin. Paint is chipping right there. So that is the only bad thing. Is like the I might get the bumper like repainted, tape off that, repaint that side, repaint that side, call it a day. But other than that, the paint's been all right. The front bumper's been good, flare's been good, except the back bumper. But yep, that's pretty much it, honestly, y'all. Striped, carbon. Had to make my own little custom grill down there. But so far, this baby's looking mean, thick, wide. I am pretty much happy with it, honestly. I am really happy with it. But as y'all can see, the baby's looking crispy. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to freaking show y'all the new mod. I know it's been a month. I want to dish out a video. Right now, I may not put none on the side again, because I don't know if I'm feeling the dragging or something on the side again. I may just leave it perfect like it is. Y'all let me know in the comments. But this baby looking pretty icy. Like it's shining to me, bro. It like, I don't know what to say. It's shining. Got the carbon, got the red, got the black, got the carbon, got the red, got the black, and of course the white, since that's the body. But sitting on the 305 tires. These babies Hook Arturos. I love them. They were kind of cheap. They look pretty good though. Yeah, this is just a little update, y'all, honestly. Give y'all a little cold start too in a second. Then let me show y'all, oh yeah. Let me show y'all this taillight tint real quick. As y'all can see, I did that bitch myself. Little taillight tint on that. But other than that baby's Gucci. But yeah, I pretty much did this. It's pretty much, I wanted to be like, hey, it's a whole new car. I pretty much made my own Widebody. So I was like, hey, bam, new stripes, carbon, new accents. I'm gonna just hook this up. Had this baby sitting pretty cool, mean. And look at it now, y'all. Look at this baby now. I can just sit back, look at it, and just it's speaking by itself, bro. It really is. But that's about it, man. Honestly, I will catch y'all later. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Other than that, I think that's it, bro. Honestly. Oh yeah, can't forget, I am getting those babies powder coated. I'm getting those babies powder coated so they won't chip anymore. But that's about it. Other than that, remember, like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Thank y'all for watching. I will catch y'all later, and y'all tell me what you think of the stripes. I really didn't want to go on no other color because, you know, my favorite color is red, black, and technically white. So I just wanted to get that color scheme going. But other than that, man, y'all tell me what y'all think. Follow your boy on TikTok also, JJLEE Productions. We are almost at 3,000 followers on TikTok. So follow me on there. Let your boy like the video, leave a comment. Thank y'all for everything. But yeah, pretty much like the video, man. And I just really do appreciate y'all, man. I wouldn't be out this way with I wouldn't be where I am today without my friends, me working hard, and just showing like what working hard the right way is gonna do, bro. What working hard the right way is gonna do. But yeah, that's about it, man. Remember, like, subscribe, favorite. Let me give y'all a little cold start real quick to end this video. I didn't want the video to be too long because I've been working all day. Let me give y'all a little cold start.